So g'day people, how you going? And I'm sitting in my car and I just want to talk a little bit about the correct side of the road to drive on. So anyway people, here I have the steering wheel. It is on the correct side of the road. And see, side of the road, they're driving on the correct side of the road. And he comes from India, so he understands what the correct side of the road is. So here is the passenger side, and with those countries that drive on the incorrect side, this is where the steering wheel is. And with those countries that drive on the correct side, this is the passenger, and this is the steering wheel. And those that drive on the incorrect side, you split the road in there in the middle. Yeah, you drive on that side going forward. And here in Australia, you split the road, you drive on this side and you go forward. So that is the correct side to drive on. Now you have seatbelts, you put seatbelts on, and you do the speed limit. In Australia, around buildings, it is about 50 k's an hour. Around schools, it is about 40. And most other roads is about 60 to 80. You would see a number on a street sign with a black circle. So it's a red number on a black circle. On a white board. And on freeways it's usually 100 k's an hour. And unlike Germany, we don't have any roads that are unlimited speed. And the maximum speed that I've seen is the Melbourne to Ballarat freeway, which is 110. Oh, yeah. Can you see the speedometer? Yeah, there you go. Oh, look, no seatbelt. Well, so that is the correct side to drive on in Australia. Buckle your seatbelts, and if you don't agree with me, you're wrong. Hello. Also, I was just joking. Bye bye.